In this video, I'll show you how to add funds to your Crypto.com wallet using the mobile app. First, open the Crypto.com app and log in. Tap Accounts at the bottom, then decide what kind of funds you want to add, crypto or cash. Crypto goes into Crypto Wallet, while cash goes into Fiat Wallet. To add crypto, tap Crypto Wallet, choose the coin you want to receive, then tap Transfer to deposit. Select the correct network if it asks, and you'll see your deposit address plus a QR code. Then copy the address or let the sender scan the QR. On the other exchange or wallet, paste the address, match the same network, enter the amount, and confirm. After blockchain confirmations, the crypto will appear in your crypto wallet. To add cash, go back and open Fiat Wallet. If you haven't set it up yet, follow the prompts to create it for your currency. Then tap Transfer, Deposit, Bank Transfer to see your bank details and reference code. Then send the transfer from your banking app using those exact details. Once processed, the money will show in your Fiat Wallet, ready to buy crypto. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.